तो अभी मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे ऑल इंडिया एग्रीकल्चर वर्कर्स यूनियन के जनरल सेक्रेटरी कोमट बी वेंकट्स को प्लीज मंच पे आए।
Respected President, Comrade Usha ji,
साथियों प्लीज आवाज नहीं।
our beloved leader, our fighter, Comrade Amararam ji, leaders on the dais, my dear sisters. I don't know Hindi. I cannot speak in Hindi. I will speak in English. Let me allow to me. Firstly, I greets, I congratulations to Anganwadi workers and helpers. You have crossed 50 years. I know in the 50 years of your journey, you have been faced many ordeals. You have been achieved some developments. In India, one woman below, one link with below, who are the fight against state and central governments. That is only Anganwadi workers and welfares in India. That is your legacies. Not only small thing. Your fight against state government policies. You have been fight against central government policies. That is the wonderful experience, wonderful legacies in your union. You are the part of agriculture workers, families. Your work also, for example, in IT sector and etc., they are working for upper layer. But Anganwadi worker, teachers and workers, you are main working in rural India, means you are working agriculture workers, rural poor, especially Dalits, Adivasi, OBC people. I sincerely admit here, once upon a time in India, 30 years ago, the literature in rural India, especially social groups, less than 30%, 20%. Now, where in except Kerala, 100% literacy. In remaining areas also, in Dalits literacy, they crossed 70%. How did possibility? That is the one of the important reason. Anganwadi union, your contribution is the more than government. That is the literacy rate. That is there. Nowadays, we are talking about, Comrade Amararam told, you are lucky, we are lucky. Why? Because of BJP number 100 of parliament members is there in parliament. Congress also, that number is there. Remaining parties also there. Who are raising and fighting in parliament for Anganwadi or agriculture workers union. That is like Amararam and CPIM and Red Flag fight to our demand. That is there. But the problem of many studies came from abroad and India, how we will improve our immunity power. Immunity power means our health and everything depending on our immunity. There's now the latest study, 3 important things. One is at the time of pregnancy. At the time of pregnancy, what type of food they are taking, that is the first cause of the immunity. Second one is below 5 years, the boy or girl, they taken the food or their climate and everything. The second, the important immunity development of their boys. Third one is before the 15 years, that is the immunity. Means the government should give to budget to Anganwadi. You are provided to for day egg, milk, vegetable, some non-veg will provide during the pregnant time. That is the help of lakhs crore for our future. Not only that, what is the situation in India? Our agriculture workers, our Dalit, our Adivasi, many hundreds of cases with us. The delivery day also they went to field. Many, you know, many our sisters at the time of field they are the delivery in the field. That is the situation. So we demand to Narendra Modi and state government, you should increase the budget for Anganwadi workers and helpers. Not only that, our demand, we fully support. Anganwadi workers are helpers, not a beggars, they are the front worker. Government should give and recognize the Anganwadi workers and helpers, the part of the government employed. That is also our demand. Our not only now beginning onwards, if he will recognize the teachers and helpers, I know you are the work better than general teachers. Why? Because of you are a mother of the child. You know everything. Some areas I have visited. Some boys, some girls, they do not take the food. Anganwadi teacher and helper, they like mother. They feed them. That is there. So, Agriculture Workers Union, we are supporting your all demands, wages increasing, food supply and etc. Third, now one danger, the name of the new education policy, they divided many, that is not a new education policy, that is the Manuvad education policy, Chaturvarna education policy, upper caste, upper layer education policy. In that education policy, they mention that the pre-education will give to, means your work give the transfer to schools. That is wrong methodology. What about Europe? What about America? What about China? That is the one type of this education, not a part of general education up to 7 years. So we oppose the new education policy, the formation. We demand central government should give to up to 7 years. That is the allotted to Anganwadi workers and welfare. That is the your demand, genuine demand, not a small demand. So we are supporting your demands. We thanks to you. Why? Once again, without your presence, without your help, without your service, agriculture workers, our children, no study. That they depending on your service. We know. Finally, what about already we against Israel? Yesterday, in our apex court, Supreme Court, Chief Justice Gawai, one advocate, he was tried to attack with shoe. How to dare one advocate? One advocate tried to attack on Gawai because of the Manuvada. What he told? This Gawai, he belongs to Dalits. Means he always tried to legacies, try to implementing our government, our constitution legacies. He told our constitution says the secularism, not Hindutva, not Manuvada. Many times he have been talking about. One fellow went to court. 100 years ago, 200 years ago, one temple demolished. They went to, this is the Hindu temple or etc. He seriously comment again that is the right. But they told, attack. Why? Is the Dalits. Your service also, you know, your servicing main belongs to Dalits and Adivasi and OBC. They BJP do not allow to Adivasi, Dalits and OBC minority, not only minority. BJP cannot, RSS, BJP cannot allow to Dalits and social section. They forward, they attack. For example, you know MNREGA, that is the one of the best act because of the left party. Now BJP, at the time of UPA, the support by the left party, our union budget, central government budget allotted 4% for MNREGA. Now Narendra Modi decreased the budget 1.37. That is means Adani, Modi means Adani, Modi means Ambani, Modi means Manwada, Modi means RSS, means they against Anganwadi, they against Asha, they against agriculture worker, they against working class, they against farmer, they they favor for corporate and Hindutva. That is the Gujarat model, Rajasthan model. Amraram told here, but only one state, not a number of you mention the 19,000 or 20,000 in that is the some little bit more than Kerala. But what about in Kerala? That is the Narendra Modi model on Anganwadi, but only one state, they appointed pujaris in temple, that is only Kerala, that is the legacies in Kerala. Not only that, you do not thinking about the number 1,000, 2,000 more than Kerala, Tamil Nadu, but Kerala government recognized the service of Anganwadi, legacies of Anganwadi. In Tamil Nadu, for example, Anganwadi families do not allotted housing, but in Kerala, Anganwadi families also, they eligible for housing. One India, only one Kerala, only 1 year, they constructed 5 lakh houses for poor people. One day, the leadership of Vijayaraghavan inaugurated the 5 lakh houses for poor people, that is our families. That is the Kerala model. Why? Kerala model means poor people model, Anganwadi model, Asha model, agriculture workers model, working class model. That is the model. So, one is the Gujarat model, Narendra Modi model, corporate model, communal model. Second one model is the Kerala model, red flag model, our model. We should save the Kerala. We should demand the Kerala model. For example, your UP, how much agriculture workers were? In Bihar, how much agriculture workers were? Or Rajasthan, how much agriculture workers were? What the Haryana? Haryana until now, they do not allow to Dalits in temple. They do not allow to sitting with the upper caste. What about in Kerala? In the Haryana, Bihar, North India, only 300 rupees, 200 rupees per day for women. Kerala, for women, they give to minimum wage for a day 1,000 rupees. The Kerala government, giving the wage. That is the model. That is the working class model. That is our model. So, you have the 50 years, not a small. The 50 years means in coming days, we hope Anganwadi workers and helpers, the Narendra Modi, he talking about the development. What the development? What the development means? Without Anganwadi workers' salary, what the development? What the development? Your development means the upper layer development, not for the grassroots development. So in this juncture, I request to, I thanks to Anganwadi, your leadership is the militant leadership. Your activities, sometimes we are inspired. For example, the 10 days ago in Telangana, Telangana government, Congress government, Revant Reddy talking about democracy, but house arrest, everything. But Telangana Anganwadi worker, 1 week ago, the government the barricade, but our Anganwadi workers militantly, they broken the barricade, they went to Hyderabad. That is your militant activity in Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, in many areas. That is your spirit of Anganwadi. Once again, I congrats, I greet to Anganwadi workers and helpers. I thanks to your leadership and I thanks to everyone. We should achieve, we should meet our targets. Thank you for everyone. Thank you, comrades.